I'm currently on the 3rd floor. I forgot my sensors on the 5th floor. And they're still showing that there's 2 sensors connected. There are 2 sensors connected. Low side, high side, temperature sensors. I'm gonna go to 5 right now. And yo, these things are still connected, like to the 2 floors below. I'm in the elevator right now because I just lost them. That's crazy. So I'm gonna go on 5 and so see. That's crazy how these things still connected 2 floors below. Right? It's crazy range. Look, that one came back in. So I'm on 5 right now. Came back in now. That's crazy range, man. Look how far these things are. Right here.